Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's lecture we'll be continuing with the operators. So in the previous lecture we read about arithmetic operator, assignment operator and logical operator. So we have two operators left now, two main operators that you will be using. So first we will talk about comparison operator. Okay, comparison operator. Okay, so these are very in basic operators, and like you use it in your day-to-day programming as well. Okay, so any operator, okay, I'll give the good definition what the any operator. Okay, so operators that helps in comparing two values are called comparison operator. Okay, so comparison operators are as follows: equal equal to sign. Okay, so this is used to check if the two operators, like two variables, are equal. Okay, and these can be used as a equal to b, greater than sign, greater than, so you can use it like this: a is greater than b, less than sign, it can be used as a less than b, greater than equal to, greater than equal. It will take little bit time to write greater than equal. You can use it as a equals to b. Then we have less than equal to, less than equal, so a is less than equal to b. Okay, and the last one is not equal to. So exclamation mark and then equal to sign, this stands for not equal. So if you need to check if two variables are equal or not, you can use this operator. Okay, so the syntax for this is very similar. You can use it with the conditional operators as well, so like if else statements as well. So you can do if a equal to b and then perform a function. Okay, and similarly for all these other operators as well. Okay, comparison operators. Now next let's move to the bitwise operator. So bitwise operator is like very important operators. Okay, in this series we'll be talking about it in not in that much of advanced way, but I'll be able to clear all the basic stuff about the bitwise operators. Okay, so bitwise operator is used to operate on binary numbers. Okay, so in Python, if you want to initialize a binary number, you can use a prefix 0b. Okay, and then write the binary number. Okay, so if I do this 1011, then Python will automatically consider it as a binary number. Okay, and its value will be 2 3 8 9 10 11. Okay, 8 0 20. So in the decimal value, the value of this binary number will be 11. Okay, now let's move on to the bitwise operators. Okay, so we have AND, okay, we have OR, we have XOR. Okay, we have NOT, we have left writing a little bit sadder. Okay, So we have left shift and we have right shift. So I'll tell about all these one by one. So AND operator, it is used like this, and it sets bit to 1 if both bits are 1. So to use it, I use, this is the syntax. This is AND, so the syntax is X and Y. So I'll give the one example for this. So if my X is, let's suppose 2, and my Y is, let's suppose 5, and I do print X and Y, so what will the answer for this will be? So first we'll convert it into the binary number, so it will be 0010, and for, so actually it is, I think, hexadecimal number, these are up to hexadecimal. Actually, sorry, my bad, not hexadecimal, but 16-bit binary number. Yeah, that's the correct term. Okay, 16-bit binary number. So typically the X will be looking like 0000, 0000, 0000, 0000, okay, and Y is 5, so 5 will go like 0101, okay, 012224, हाँ ठीक है, तो 5 will look like this, sorry, 0101, So if I'm doing AND operation on this one, so as I said ki the okay, for more consideration of the example, let's take it as 1. So my binary number will become 0001, okay, and over here as well it will be 0001, okay. So if I do the AND operation on this one, X and Y, so as I said earlier over here, if it sets bit to 1 if both the bits are 1, okay. So over here you can see this part, all the bits are 0 for both of them. Over here it's also 0, over here 1 is 0 and 1 is 1, over here also 0, and in this part, like in this place, you can see both of the digits are 1. So as per the operation, if like both of the bits are 1, then only we will set it to 1. So this will become 00000, then this will be 12 times, okay. Now coming to here, 00 will become 0, 01 will become also 0 because not both of the bits are 1, okay. Then 00 it will become 0, and then 11 it will become 1, okay. So if you convert this binary to a decimal number, it will come as 1. So for X and Y, where X is 1 and Y is 5, the answer you will get is 1, okay. Now next, moving on to OR operator. So symbol for OR is this, okay, and in this it sets bit to 1 if any of 2 bits is 1, okay. So it is done like this. Now for the same example, for 1 and 5 only, so I'll write it over here. 1 will become 0001 and 5 will become 0101, okay. So I'm just keeping it to 4 bits right now. So if I do X or Y, okay, so I said if any of the bits is 1, it will convert it to 1, okay. So this over here, they both are 0, so it will become 0. Now 01, it will become 1. Now 0 and 0, it will become 0 because none of the bits is 1, okay. And then 1, it will become 1 because both of the bits is 1, and it is fulfilling the condition of key if one of the bits is 1, okay. So this answer will come to as 5. So if we do x or y, the answer will be 5. Okay. Now next, moving to XOR operator. So XOR operator symbol is this. Okay, and it sets bit to 1 if only one of the bits is 1. Okay, x XOR y. So the answer for this particular operation, 1 will be 0 0 0 1 and 5 will be 0 1 0 1. So it will become 0 for this first bits. Take it, then this for the leftmost bits it will be 0 because both of the bits is 0. Then I have 0 and 1, so one of the bits is 1, so I'll keep it 1 over here. And then moving to the next bit, both of the bits are 0, so it will become 0, and then it is 1 and 1. So as I said earlier, in XOR operator only one of the bits is supposed to be 1. Okay, but over here both of the bits are 1, so it will turn out to be 0, and the answer for this will be 0 1 2 4. So if I do 1 XOR 5, the answer for that will be 4. Next we have NOT operator. So it is mentioned like this as a tilde sign, and what it does is it inverts all the bits. Okay, it inverts all the bits. So symbol for this is like this, syntax for this. Okay, so now if we take the example of NOT operator, so if I do tilde of 1, so I will get, okay, so as I said there are 16 bits, right? 0 0 0 1, so all the zeros will become 1 and this 1 will become 0. Okay, so the answer for this will be this 0. Okay, so I think this will come out to be 6 5 3 5 4, I think, to check it actually. Okay, I'm not sure what the value for this one will be, so we can just go to the Python compiler and I check for it. So this is online Python compiler, and actually I prefer it like most other times. Anyways, where is tilde sign? Tilde and 1. Okay, so if I try to run this, okay, so the answer for this will be -2. Okay, so don't worry, there will be a complete series on the bitwise operator as well, like not a series but few more videos ahead, so we can talk about them in like this NOT operator in like more deeply. Okay, so yeah, I think this lecture has gone quite for some time, so for the left shift and right shift I will be talking in my next lecture. So till then, have a very good day and bye.